Hey guys, for those of you who follow my channel, probably know that this week I'm testing the Lenovo Yoga Pro 7i, which is a 14-inch laptop, an ultrabook. Let me show you the machine itself. So this is the Lenovo Yoga Pro 7i, and I'm reviewing all the components. I wanted to make a review for each single component that might be of your interest. So today we're gonna focus our attention on the keyboard. So the keyboard is pretty well laid out with what's advertised by Lenovo 1.5 travel dish keyboard. So really, it's quite comfortable to use. Also, relatively silent. It's a comfortable and silent keyboard, which probably is more than enough for this review. But other things that I can tell is that it's a standard Lenovo keyboard. You don't have something that's typical for Lenovo. I'm not gonna tell you what's missing here, so drop me a line in the comments if you see something missing on the keyboard and the touchpad as well. There's something specific for Lenovo. Those of you who remember what was on their previous editions, drop me a comment below and see if you remember that. So yeah, the keyboard is pretty good. It's pretty good, and the overall impression, it's also a touch screen. So together with a comfortable keyboard with a long key travel and a touch screen that we have here, it's a 3K display with a touch screen. You have a very good ultrabook experience. Also, you have a leaflet provided by Lenovo with some shortcuts, some functional shortcuts. As you can see, FN plus Q, which changes the performance mode from performance to battery saver. FN plus R switches the screen refresh rate, and FN plus space controls the keyboard backlight. So another useful thing provided by Lenovo in regards to the keyboard itself. And also something that I haven't used before is this additional button, which many of you again know its name, but for those of you who already have used it and configured it, please again drop me a line in the comments. How do you use this button in specific? So other than that, pretty satisfied with the Lenovo Pro 7i. Pretty good laptop. I'll be testing it for another week and share my feedback. If you have any other comments, please tell me, and don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot more coming in my product reviews. Thank you.